happy Christmas today. I love you really much today. Happy Christmas today. I love you very much today. Well, you're the last one that I could go with you forever, every day. You're the last one that the Christmas has begun. I can see the Christmas stars. You can see everybody in my eyes. I can see the Christmas dance. I can see the Christmas holiday. It's Christmas Day. It's Christmas Day. It's Christmas Day. It's Christmas Day.